Did you know this car is called Redhead? The Testarossa isn't just a car. It's a masterpiece, with only 34 ever made. Its real-world counterpart is worth over $40 million today. And this model brings that history to life in your hands. Priceless in reality, but how does this model measure up? Wait till you see the details. Let's dive in. Look at this bodywork, smooth, curvy, and aerodynamic, just like the original. The iconic front grille, spot on, those delicate wire-spoked wheels, absolute perfection. You can almost imagine it tearing through Le Mans in 1958. Inside, the cockpit is a miniaturized masterpiece. The steering wheel, the intricate dashboard gauges, even the leather-style seats, every detail screams Ferrari. These touches that make this model a collector's dream. And just wait till we look under the hood. Underneath lies the beating heart, a perfectly replicated V12 engine. It's not just a display piece, it's an engineering marvel in miniature. The real Testarossa's engine delivered over 300 horsepower. This tiny one, it delivers the thrill. Holding this is like holding a piece of history. And yeah, the name Testarossa is literal translation of Redhead, named after its iconic valve covers. But let's take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship here. The precision paintwork, the smooth metallic red with that subtle white livery stripe. It mirrors Ferrari's original racing colors, making it feel less like a toy and more like a museum piece. Even the tiniest bolts on this model are individually crafted. Did you notice the undercarriage? Fully detailed with suspension components and exhaust pipes that look ready to roar. It's a reminder of Ferrari's obsession with engineering excellence, whether stitched full scale or in miniature. If this level of detail amazes you, imagine what's next. So gear up and join me in exploring more iconic cars, from legends like this to hidden gems.